Sup. As you can see, Everett's asleep. It is approximately 2-something, and our roommate Matt Murphy's in deep trouble. So we're gonna save him from.
Think about it. I'm 21.
Sup.
I'm alive.
Hey!
Sup.
Oh,
Are you recording?
yeah, now it's dark.
All right, we are picking up Matthew
Matt.
Murphy by cop.
Yep.
Because
Yes.
there's so many trash cans,
right.
there's so many dips and dumps, like, it's fine.
Guys, do I have y'all's permission to upload this on YouTube?
No.
What the fuck?
Let's see. What's
No.
on it?
Approved. YouTube.
No.
See, why not? I mean, Genie. We won't put it on Facebook.
Fine! Oh my god, I can't believe I'm with this.
Yeah, get it, car. Get it big. Alright. 10 minutes. 10 menu.
Go try the whip.
No, I'm talking about Anthony Turbo / Turbo.
Anthony / Turbo / Toby.
/ Tony.
Toby. Toby with a B.
I look cute, Ken, so you can kill me.
Alright, that is what, 10? That's 10 right there.
Yes, that's. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Drop a water bottle.
Parking like it's hot.
Hey, we're outside. Come out. We're getting whataburger on turbo.
Matt Murphy gets nothing.
Other side. Other side.
Oh my god.
Nothing exciting at all just happened.
Nothing. It's about to happen.
I want more Doritos Locos Taco.
No, we're hungry for actually Whataburger.
What? Fuck that. I've got
What's
one
that?
more.
Oh, really?
Oh, sweet.
Matt, that one's for
Hey,
you.
Dak City.
Hey, how was your adventure?
That was weird.
It was weird.
Was it
I don't want to do that again.
DSR.
Don't do it again.
Alright,
What should I say? We need to get an ice cream
Be like
cone
making
and
it
then just
rain.
grab it.
explain what's about to happen.
Making it rain.
Explain what's about to happen.
We need to grab an ice cream. We need to get an ice cream.
Reagan
cone
is
and grab
about
it.
to make it rain on some Whataburger bitches.
He's about to
Shit's
Hey,
going
no,
down.
they're not
rain on
bitches,
these
they're
hoes.
They're not
devoted-
bitches.
No,
They're
listen,
super
listen,
classy
they're
Whataburger
not
workers.
Bitches, they're devoted workers.
Alright, after she hands us the ketchup, I'm gonna touch her elbow.
What do I have to say?
Whatever.
I make it rain.
And then drive. Make sure you're in drive. Make sure you're in drive. You don't want to be like awkwardly shifted.
Oh, excuse me, why?
Thank you very much. Wait, ketchup?
I put some in a bag.
Okay.
I made it rain.
That was good. Hey, look, it's RG3.
Shit. Oh my god. He's famous.